Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where we provide you instructions on how to prepare delicious meals using avocados. My name is Patrick JUNTAK and this is my co-host
Torino here.
And today we are making avocados hot dogs. Okay, now the main ingredients are avocados, obviously. These are, you can use sausage or hot dogs, hot dog buns, chopped up avocados from here, tomato, ketchup, mayonnaise, and also chili to your liking. Alright, so we're just going to prepare it to you in one shot. It's very straightforward. So you have the hot dog here, make sure it's always split in two. You can place, these hot dogs are pretty small, so we're just going to use 2 hot dogs in place right here. Alright. That's 2 hot dogs. And then you can put the avocados in here. And you can put in the condiments here. For this here. Now, what the avocados represent, since avocados are basically the vegetarian version of dairy products, in a sense, because avocados are basically replacing heavy cream, sweet condensed milk, it's replacing butter, margarine, as well as cheese, so you can view avocados as replacement of cheese, okay? Or any dairy products that you can think of that people usually put it. You know, some people put cheese in here, right? So here, instead of using cheese, we use avocados. Now, some of you may want to put in mayonnaise. Some of you may want to put in chili. It's up to your liking. It's just like any other hot dogs that you can think of. And we do apologize in the background for our dogs making a lot of racket. You can't really control that. So we have about 6 puppies on site, and you know how it is with little puppies. They're always fighting around, right? So in this case here, we like to put the chili on our hot dogs, and that's it. And if you want to put mayonnaise, go ahead, and it's done. And you can go straight to testing, okay? So it is simple to make, and it's relatively delicious, and it's relatively healthy. Although the hot dog itself, the sausage kind of negates it a little bit, but at least you're cutting out the dairy products, okay? But once in a while, this is a pretty good treat. You can use it in family outings or just for something to eat for quickie. And you can use the avocados, it will make it very delicious, okay? And what do you think, Torino? You agree? You good?
Very good.
So it's very delicious, and again, thank you for watching our YouTube channel. And if you follow all instructions, hopefully you can make one at your home as well. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. No.
Bagus banget.